we are going to get started with foundations, okay? So this video is going to be the same day 1 and day 2 because we're working on the same skill, but your words will be different that you're building. So we'll talk about that. So the first thing I want to talk about is our glued sounds. We have been working on glued sounds for a couple of weeks now, and one of the three of the main glued sounds we have been talking about is ALL, ball, all, and AM, ham, am, and AN, fan, an. Now, AN, fan, an, and AM, ham, am, we just started working on those, but ALL, ball, all, we have been working on for about a month now. So, what we're going to do today is we're going to work on building words, reading the words, and typing out the words. So on these little mats right here, I wrote the word that I want you to read. So you're going to go ahead and read that word. I'm going to read one of them to you, and then you're going to read the rest on your own. You're going to build the word, and then you're going to type the word, okay, to practice it. Remember, with a glued sound, it means that it's all together. We don't say the sound separately. So for ham, we say am, ham, right? So that's what this word is. That's what you're going to do. You're going to read it. You're going to go am. And then I'm going to come over here to my little stamps, and I'm going to build the word H, A, M. And then I'm going to type out the word am, ham. So after I've tapped out the word, you're then going to type it right here in the box, okay? So the rest of your slide should look a lot like mine, okay? Just different words. So when you'll do it with this one, I'm not going to read the word because I want you to tap it out and read it. You have a couple more to do, okay? And just a reminder, the sounds are ALL, ball, all, AM, ham, am, and AN, fan, an.